Hey guys, I just wanted to make a second quick video about syncing grades from Canvas to PowerTeacher Pro. This video is a little more organized and has a few more pieces of information that was not included in the first video. Okay, so first we're going to go to my senior class. And first of all, we're going to go to the assignments page. Now, before I go there, I want to talk about the difference between the modules and the assignments. Many of you already know the purpose of modules. Modules shows your online class in the way that your students will see it. So modules, you need to set up the way you want your students to be able to navigate it. Assignments looks very similar, has a very similar format. However, it is organized differently. It is organized by grade group. So these are my do now. This is the do now category. So however your assignments page is organized, that's how it's going to be organized in your grade book, per the assignment type. Okay, obviously I need to organize mine a little bit more because I have assignments group popping up more than once, and that'll be some work. Okay, so we are going to talk about this assignment here, PPE knowledge check. Okay, how do I sync this assignment to my PowerTeacher Pro gradebook? First of all, you need to look at this icon. See the difference between these two? If it's a green check, that means it's ready to be synced. If it's an X, that means it is not ready to be synced. Well, why is it not ready to be synced? So let's click on the assignment and make an edit. All right, first of all, it needs to be published. If it's not published, it won't sync. Second of all, you need to click the checkbox next to Sync to PowerSchool. Sometimes this shows up in a different location. I'm not sure why, but just look for it when you're editing the assignment. It may be in a different spot, but it'll be there somewhere. Lastly, it must have a due date. If it's a due date in the past or the future, it doesn't matter. It'll sync. Just got to make one. I'm going to click Save. Now I'm going to go back to my assignments page to see if it's ready. PPE knowledge check, and yes, it's ready. Now it has a green check. Okay, so it's ready, but it has not been synced yet. How do we sync it? We go to the grades page. Before I go to grades, just a quick comment. If you're like me and you have all these assignments on your assignments page, it may be easier to find it on your modules page. However, on the modules page, unfortunately, it will not show this icon. So you might have to bounce back and forth between the modules and the assignments page. Okay, let's sync the grade. So let's sync the grade. Let's see here. PPE knowledge check. Sometimes if you don't have an assignment showing in your Canvas gradebook, it's because you didn't do one of those 3 steps that I showed you. For it to show in your Canvas gradebook, it also needs to be published. It also needs to have a due date, and it also needs to have, well, I guess it doesn't have to have that check mark to it. So make sure you do that. Now I'm going to sync this, okay? So what you do is you click Actions, Sync to PowerSchool. And you can check mark, if you just want to sync one grade, you can uncheck all of them and just click that one. However, I will say something about that in just a moment. So I'm going to click Post Grades. And sometimes it takes a few minutes for it to process. So give it a few minutes. We can click here to see the progress. And it says it's still waiting. Okay, while we're waiting for the PPE knowledge check to upload, I just wanted to say something quickly about syncing your grades. If you choose to sync all of them more than once, that is totally fine. It will not create another of the same assignment. It will just update. So, like, if I change the grade here, like if I change it to a 10 and I sync it a second time, it will just simply upgrade that student's grade for that one assignment. So that's really nice. Okay, let's see if it is done syncing. PPE knowledge check. Okay, it's not, but just trust me, it worked. So you can go ahead and end the video now, or you can just stick around and see if it uploads. Crossing my fingers. There it is. There it is. So I'm going to go ahead and click score sheet just to see PPE knowledge check. It's all the way at the back. Wait, not all the way. Here it is. And all the grades are there. Yay. So hope this helped. Let me know if you have any other questions. And I'm also going to post the phone number. The people at the help desk for this issue are extremely helpful. So if you have any questions, you run into any issues on how to use Canvas, I've called them 3 times. Every single time it was very good customer service. So go ahead and use that phone number. Thanks for watching.